Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the free Elementor website design course video series. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional website in WordPress using Elementor. Elementor is one of the best page builder plugins that you can use to create any kind of website. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can create a professional e-commerce website using WordPress, WooCommerce and Elementor. This video is more than 8 hours long. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. In this series of videos, I'm going to start with the installation of the free Hello theme and Elementor plugins. Let me show you what I'm going to cover in this video series. In the first chapter, I'll show you how you can install the theme and basic Elementor plugins. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create header section of the website. Let me show you the website that I have created in this video series. This is the header section of the website. At the top, you will see some information about the business. Then we have logo. Then we have menu section and a call now button. This top section of the website is the header section. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create the footer section of the website. If I scroll down, you will see the footer section of the website. In the footer, we have 4 column section. In the first column, we have the logo of the website and some information. Then we have quick links in the next column, services and contact details. I'll show you how you can create the footer section and how you can add different elements in the footer section. In the next video, I'll show you the basic Elementor site settings. Site settings are nothing but the global settings of your website. For example, you can set up global color settings for the website, the global font settings, which fonts you want to use for the website, how you can change the site logo, and other basic site settings. In the next video, we are going to create the slider on the home page. So I'll show you how you can set up home page and the slider on the home page. So this is the slider that I have created using Elementor. There are different types of image carousels and sliders that you can use. I'll show you all types of sliders that you can create in this video. In the next video, we are going to customize the home page. So you will see different sections on the home page. On the home page, we are showcasing our services. Then we have some information about the business, an image, then call to action, testimonials, recently published articles, which is nothing but the blog posts which are published on your website. Now, this is not the end. You can add as many sections as you want. This video series will give you how you can create sections and how you can use different elements on your WordPress website using Elementor. So if you learn how to use the Elementor, you will be able to create any kind of website using Elementor Page Builder and Elementor Theme Builder. To create header and footer section of the website, we are going to use Elementor Theme Builder feature, which is available in the Elementor Pro plugin. So we will need Elementor Pro plugin to create a website. The pricing of Elementor Pro plugin is around $59 per year for a single website. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want, you can also buy the Elementor Pro plugin from different GPL website where you will get Elementor Pro plugin at the lowest price. So Elementor Pro plugin is required to create the header section, footer section, and to customize the blog page, blog post page, and single page section on your WordPress website. In the next video, I'll show you how you can customize the single blog post template. So we are going to add blog on the website and you will see a single post template here. This is the single post template. At the top, we have the banner section and we have the title of the blog post here. Then we have featured image, some content, sharing options, author bio, previous and next, comment section. In the right hand side, we have list of blog posts and contact form. You can customize this template according to your requirement. You just need to know how you can customize the template, which I'll show you in this video tutorial. In the next video, I'll show you how you can customize the single blog page template. So if I go to blog page, you will see this is the layout of the blog page. This is the 4 column layout. At the top, we have the featured image. This is the category, avatar of the user, title, description, a read more button, and some metadata about the blog post. So you can customize the blog page template and you can use different layouts to show the blog post on the blog page. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create the contact form using Elementor. So if I go to contact page, you will see a custom contact form here. This contact form is designed using Elementor Pro plugin. So Elementor Pro plugin has the contact form feature, which you can use to create any kind of contact form. The next video, I'll show you how to use the animation in Elementor. If I go to home page, you will see different animations. If I scroll down, you will see animation for each section. This is nothing but the entrance animation. And there are various types of animations that you can use in Elementor website. In the next video, I'll show you how you can customize a single page template. So if I go to single page on this website, you will see a different template is used for the single page. Single page and single post both are different. Single post is only for the blog post, and single page template will be used for all the pages that you are creating on your website. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create services page. You will see the services section here, and the same services section is used on the home page also. So we are going to create a template which will be used on home page as well as on the services page. So if you make any changes to the template, it will be applied on both the pages. So I'll show you how you can create services and use them in a template. After that, we are going to create gallery page. So I'll show you what type of galleries you can create using Elementor. There are different types of galleries that you can create using Elementor. Here you will see Lightbox is used to show the gallery images. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create pricing page. If you're selling services, you will need a pricing page, and this is nothing but the pricing table that I have used. There is another option, pricing list, which you can use for the websites like restaurant menu. So in this video, I'll show you both the pricing elements. In the next video, I'll show you how you can create a contact page. If I go to contact page, this is the simple contact page that I have created. You can add as many elements as you want on the contact page. And in the last video, I'll show you how you can create custom error 404 page template in Elementor. So basically, we are going to use Elementor Theme Builder to create the entire website. If you understand how to use Elementor Theme Builder and the Page Builder, then you can create any kind of professional website in a WordPress using Elementor. I have already published hundreds of videos on Elementor tutorial. You will see a playlist of Elementor tutorial, how to install Elementor, how you can create a website using Elementor template kits. All these videos you will find in the Elementor tutorial playlist. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to learn more about Elementor tutorials. So if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. You will also see another playlist on WooCommerce tutorial. If you want to create an e-commerce website using WordPress, you can watch this playlist. I have more than 180 videos published on WooCommerce. So if you want to learn more about WooCommerce, Elementor, WordPress, CRM, SEO, Go high level, social media marketing, and WordPress automation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So in the next video of this video series, we are going to start with the installation of the Elementor theme and Elementor plugins. So see you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section and press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.